Come help.
Well, good for you. And it's really amazing how much you can find in these urban streams.
Dude, just in a few minutes,
Just,
I got a quarter of a bag.
You haven't been 100 yards even.
Yeah, just right around the parking lot.
50 yards.
And all this would have ended up down there eventually.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for being here. I wish everybody would do a little of this every day.
Oh, I think if word got out, you know, more people would. I caught it last minute, so maybe if it was posted up a little earlier, maybe more people would be able to make it.
Well, I think more are coming. They're showing up all the time right now.
A good deal.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Say that name again.
Mike Dye, D-Y-E.
Okay, Mike. We